Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can customize the quick access on Samsung Galaxy M55 5G. The first thing that we need to do is open the quick access. So over here we need to swipe one more time. This is the quick access. In order to customize it, in the top right corner over here we have this pen icon. We want to press it and there we go. Now we need to select if we want to edit the top part or the full part of the quick access. Now just to showcase, I'm gonna go back. This one is the top, so these buttons at the top, we have 6 buttons that we can customize, and the full is of course this one. So I'm gonna edit the full, and over here we can decide if you want to include something in the list. Over here at the bottom we have buttons that are not added yet, so let's say I'm gonna choose create note, and then it is located over here. Of course we can move it around. If you press and hold it, then you can move it around. And if you want to remove something, then you can simply press on the icon. And after you are done, you can press done. And if you want to reset the quick access, then you can press reset over here to the default order and then confirm. And there we go. Now we can press done, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.